piece of paper, actually lots and lots of paper, and then I wrote down 15 pages of blessings that I wanted in my life. And I remember I was still single, so sinulat ko doon, I'll get married, I'll have a great marriage, and I'll be a great husband. Tapos, napaka-specific na mga sinulat ko doon. And I'll be a best-selling author. And nung sinulat ko, tumawa talaga ako. I'll be a best-selling author. Bakit ako tumawa? Tanong nyo sa akin, bakit? Because I took up English 103 subject nung college ako. It was an essay writing subject. And every essay I gave to my professor, it came back to me with a big letter F on top of it. Big, bold, fat letter F. And F does not stand for fantastic or fabulous. You know what it meant. I was not a good writer. But there I was, writing on that 15-page document, I will be a best-selling author. I also wrote down there, I will start a ministry for the poorest of the poor. It will be on a huge property. I will live with them. We will pick up old people abandoned in the streets. We'll take care of them. We will house them. We will love them. We will care for them. We will feed them. Sinulat ko lahat yun. It was so specific because one of the things I realized about our imagination is pag may detalye, mas vivid, mas powerful. Your imagination is more powerful than your intellect. Pag mas maganda yung imagination, sobrang on fire. And so I wrote it down. I will build a nipa hut with the poorest of the poor. Tapos I will stand on the porch of that nipa hut. Tapos sinulat ko yun. Pagtingin ko sa kanan, farm, rice field. When I look in front of me, fish pond. Kasi kailangan ng rice, kailangan ng fish, pagpakain sa mga inaampo namin. And then at the back of my nipa hut, there will be a coconut tree. Ask me why. Wala lang, bagay lang, di ba? Nipa hut, coconut. Yun lang naman eh. Basta may detalye. You know, I wrote it down, and then this is what I did. There's something that I realized something. So I want you to know that it's really this. Be clear with what you want. Write it down, read it daily. Napakasimple. I know it's not sophisticated, it's not science, there's nothing, but it's simple. And this is what I did. Every single day, binasa ko yung 15 pages. Part of my prayer time, pagising ko sa umaga, I read it, I pray for it, and I want you to know that 95% of all that I wrote down in those 15 pages have come true. And I have written 60 plus best-selling books. And that place, our ministry for the abandoned elderly, it's there. It's called Anawim. We've been operating it for 30 years already. And I hope you come and visit us. It's built on a 5-hectare property. I lived there for the first 3 years to set it up. Naalala ko yung araw niyon, that fateful day, beautiful day, yung in charge ng paggawa ng mga bahay. One beautiful night, pinapatulog na namin yung mga lolo't lola. We said our evening prayers already. We tucked them in bed. Tapos lumapit siya sa akin. Sabi niya, Brother Bo, gawa na yung bahay mo, yung nipa mo. Ay talaga? Oo, pwede ka na matulog doon mamayang gabi. Thank you! You know, I went there and I was excited. I stood at the porch and I began to cry. I began to sob like a baby. Why? I looked at my right, rice field. I look in front of me, fish pond. I look behind my nipa hut, coconut tree. My friends, we underestimate our God-given power to dream. You have the ability to dream, and God is there giving you that ability. Please do not underestimate it. What you dream, you can achieve with the grace of God backing you up. And please know that that dream is given by God in your heart. And so pursue it with all your heart. Baka yung katabi mo, nagdududa pa rin eh. Put your hand over that shoulder, shake the person. Shake mo. Sabihin mo sa kanya, God has given you the power to fulfill your dream. We underestimate our God-given power to make our dreams come true. Master the basics. Do you see a man skilled in his work? He will stand before kings. He will not